Geography test. Write your name, class period, and date. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. Lowland between hills or mountains is called a blank. Is it A, mountain, B, hill, C, valley, D, plain? Question number 2. A thin strip of land that extends into a body of water is called a blank. An example is the state of Florida. Is it A, island, B, peninsula, C, river, D, lake? Question number 3. An area of land that is completely surrounded by water is called a blank. Is it A, channel, B, delta, C, island, D, peninsula? Question number 4. A large, tall rock that extends into the air, taller than a hill, is called a blank. Is it A, plateau, B, canyon, C, valley, D, mountain? Question number 5. Blank directions consist of north, south, east, and west. Is it A, intermediate, B, cardinal, C, international, D, longitude? Question number 6. A directional indicator found on a map is called a blank. Is it A, legend key, B, compass rose, C, scale, D, political map? Question number 7. Lines that run from north to south or vertically are called blank. A, latitude lines, B, longitude lines, C, equator, or D, goal lines? Question number 8. When you give your friend directions on how to get to your house, you're using this type of map. Is it A, political map, B, physical map, C, thematic map, or D, mental map? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 9. A blank map shows landforms, the natural features of the land. Is it A, political map, B, physical map, C, thematic map, or D, mental map? Question number 10. Biomes are blank areas of the globe divided into groups based on plant, animal, and geographic features. Is it A, man-made, B, continental, C, fenced, or D, natural? Question number 11. In this biome, animals and plants must adapt to store water. Is it A, tundra, B, deciduous forest, C, taiga, D, desert? Question number 12. What land biome contains the most abundant plant and animal life? Is it A, tundra, B, rainforest, C, taiga, or D, deciduous forest? Question number 13. This biome has soil that is frozen year-round. Is it A, taiga, B, rainforest, C, tundra, or D, grasslands? Question number 14. Which biome is located around the equator? Is it A, rainforest, B, tundra, C, taiga, D, grassland. Question number 15. This biome is found in every continent except Antarctica. It has big open spaces, and trees are only found near rivers and streams. Is it A, taiga, B, rainforest, C, tundra, D, grassland? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Base your answers to questions 16 to 20 on the world map below and on your knowledge of social studies. Use the map to help you identify the answers. Question number 16. Which continent is located entirely in the Northern Hemisphere? Is it A, North America, B, South America, C, Africa, D, Australia? Question number 17. Which two continents are located completely in the Western Hemisphere? Is it A, Asia and Australia, B, South America and Africa, C, North America and South America, D, Antarctica and Australia? Question number 18. The line of latitude 60 degrees north runs through which continents? Is it A, North America and South America, B, Antarctica and Australia, C, Asia, Europe and North America, D, Africa, South America and Asia? Question number 19. How many continents are there on Earth? A, 5, B, 4, C, 7, D, 8. Question number 20. The 0 degrees line of latitude that runs parallel around the globe, dividing the globe into northern and southern hemispheres, is called the blank. Is it A, equator, B, prime meridian, C, longitude, or D, international dateline? Remember to double check your answers. If you have crossed out any answers, make sure that you circled in the correct answer in your Scantron. If you erased any answers in your Scantron, make sure that you erased it well enough and darken your new answer so when we run your Scantron, it doesn't pick up both answers, because your answer will be marked wrong. Take your time, pause this video, or go back and restart it. Good luck.